am making for the recipe of tandoori aloo. So tandoori aloo recipes. So as per the ingredients. So here they given for the as per the ingredients. So charcoal recipe in this one. So we have a charcoal recipe. They given for tandoori aloo. So page number 10. So that is the number. It will be come for the 1-3. How to select? First we can go for the charcoal butter ear press. It will be comes to 1. We can select for the 1 to 3. Then we can start. Here they are asking for the quantity. We can give for the 500 grams quantity because I get for the 500 grams. So now I can keep it for the high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. Close the door and start. For the ingredients, it's mentioned, everything is mentioned on the your manual book. So as per the manual book, you can add the recipes on that. Its last 20 seconds is there. So your tandoori aloo is ready. You want to see inside also? Can be. Okay. Now, see now. So it comes to crunchy with a crispiness also. Okay. Thank you. They said just for the 16 minutes, your tandoori aloo ready.